Hey Sage. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, did you have a good day at daycare? Yeah? You had fun at daycare? Did you enjoy it? Want to say hello to Mom? Say hello. Say hello. I bet Mom would like to hear from you. Oh, it's close. Don't you just look adorable? But everyone's going to be happy to see you again.